So today we are going to check out some of these gorgeous hair transformations. They range from bobs and pixies to shorter hairstyles. So definitely hit that like button if this type of video is your jam. So moving into our first transformation, this one is going to feature long curly hair, and she's going to be going much shorter with this style. So the stylist is diffusing the hair, creating some volume with the texture, the way that the curls are being laid, and she created this gorgeous curly bob haircut. Alright, so next up we are seeing someone going from long to short hair. It looks so far as if she's going to be getting a lob haircut. So the stylist has cut the hair and she's blowing it out. Oh, she's also doing her makeup. She kind of looks like, or reminds me of Selena Gomez a little bit. And there we have it, a gorgeous lob haircut. So next we see someone with very long hair. She has blonde ends and she has cut her hair into this gorgeous shoulder length bob. Loving the slight wave as well as the highlights. Moving into our next transformation, so she is starting off with a shoulder length bob, and she has turned her hair into this gorgeous classic pixie cut with bangs. So next we see someone with long shoulder length hair, and she has decided to cut her hair into a classic bob haircut. Loving this look on her. It's more of that angled bob. Very pretty. So next we see someone with shoulder length blonde hair, and she's getting her hair clipped with the clipper. Don't you just love it when the stylist hands the client the hair? Like, here you go, you won't be needing this anymore. So here the stylist is cutting the hair into a bob. So this is more of an angled bob, inverted bob. Very pretty. So moving on, we see someone with very long hair, and it looks as if she is going to be getting a shoulder length lob or bob. So she is getting color. Actually, I would say that this is definitely more of a lob. It almost looks just like just shoulder length hair. Her hair is super thick. Yeah, I would say that that's just shoulder length hair. Alright, so next up we see quite a transformation. So someone who already has a pixie cut is getting some color. So she is going from blonde to this gorgeous ginger and red combination. That is some very bold hair. Oh, so she's rocking like a mohawk style now. Moving on, so we see this gorgeous bob haircut transformation. And it does appear as if she has very thick, wavy hair. So it's nice when we always see someone who does have some texture to their hair. So she's taking it even shorter with a pixie, looks like so far. Very pretty. And you can really see that curly texture up at the top. Absolutely gorgeous haircut. So there's her before and here is her after. You can tell she's very happy with that haircut. So moving right along, we see someone with very long hair. So the stylist has placed the hair in the ponytails and he is cutting the hair. So it looks like she's going with a classic neck length bob for this one. Cutting is very precise. I love when I see a stylist that takes his time to really cut the hair and make sure that it's even. Very gorgeous. Love this classic chin length bob. Let's have a middle part with this one, which of course is trending right now. All right, so moving on to the next transformation. So she is going from very long hair, and I think she's going to get a very shaven short cut because the stylist was cutting the hair very roughly, and usually when they do that, they are planning on going way shorter. So there he is shaving off the sides. So far it looks like she's going to be getting an undercut. So there we have it, a gorgeous undercut Pixie. Loving the bangs that was left on the sides. Very trendy haircut. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed checking out these transformations with me. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next one.